Yeah, that other side's a bit nasty. What's Troy gonna do? Just bloody block of flats.
Where you're going.
Got two bloody tractors following me.
He's really not locked either, is he?
No, he's not. He's got 8 foot of flex, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, he's not. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Had to go back then.
How about go that side?
He's trying to lucky for his license, isn't
Yeah.
So the only chance there was backwards quickly.
I didn't notice that actually. Jesus.
he? That was supposed to go.
Woo!